This is a quick 8-minute cooldown sessions that you can do after any workout to help you relax and recover after your workouts. Remember not to skip your cooldowns, and you can find all my programs, videos, and more on my new app that's available on the app stores. Now stand upright and let's start the cooldown with shoulder stretch. Stand with your feet hip-width apart, then bring your left arm across your body. Place your right forearm over your left arm and press it down, and hold for 30 seconds. Now repeat on the other side. Now we have cat-cow. Get on all fours. Now inhale deeply while curving your lower back and bringing your head up. Exhale deeply and bring your abdomen in, arching your spine and bringing your head and pelvis down. And now we have downward dog walk. Get into a downward dog position and walk your legs to stretch them out. Now bring one leg to the side and get into a deep lunge to stretch your hip flexors. Shift your weight back and now stretch your hamstrings. You can go deeper into your stretch if you're more flexible. Bring one leg in front of you with your knee bent and place on the mat, and the other leg fully extended behind you. Then sit in this position for about 30 seconds. You can fold forward for a deeper stretch. Let's get into the pigeon pose and hold. Now lift the extended leg and hold your ankle with your hand, and hold for 30 seconds. Now we're repeating on the other side, starting with deep lunge. Now let's stretch out our hamstrings. Let's get into the pigeon pose and hold. Hold your ankle and stretch your quads. Now get into a child pose, spread your knees apart and sit back and stretch your arms above your head. Now move your upper body to one side and stretch your lats at the same time while stretching your thighs and opening your hips. Now repeat on the other side and hold for 30 seconds. And we are done! Great work with your workout session and for not skipping your cooldown. Have a good rest and I'll see you in your next workout. Bye!